Hello friends and fashion lovers, you're welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I take a child's measurement. Yes, I love taking a child's measurement since a standard measurement does not work for every child. A child's measurement is taken just like an adult measurement. It's just that you have to work faster and you have to find the right approach since every child is different. That being said, on my model here, I have gone ahead to tie ribbons on points of emphasis like the chest area, which will be cutting across the back blade, the waist, the tummy line, then the hip. For the waist, the waist measurement is always 2 to 3 inches above the belly button depending on the child's height and body frame. If a child doesn't wiggle from side to side, you can take the waist measurements, making sure that it's perpendicular to the elbow. So the tummy line is important. It could be up or down depending on where the child naturally wears trousers and skirts. So this part is important because most children have protruding tummy. You need to put that in account. Also note that these ribbons are not tight on this child, so don't make yours tight if you are using the same method. That being said, it's time to take the measurement. So here you're going to take the full length measurement. That is from the shoulder to the floor length or to the knee length. But it's always good to have the full length. After that, you're going to take the round measurement, that's circumference, starting with the chest circumference, which is called the bust circumference for a female adult. So you take the round chest circumference. Then the waist circumference. Please, I am taking this measurement without ease since I will be adding ease while drafting my pattern. So then you have the tummy measurement, the round stomach measurement, or the stomach circumference. It comes in very handy when making skirts or trouser waist. Then you have the round hip measurement. Yes, the hip measurement is the widest part. Down here, you have to make sure that you adjust till you get that widest part of the child's hip. Now with the hip measurement, you are going to take measurement for your bodice. That's from shoulder to the waist measurement if you're making a ball dress. So from shoulder to waist measurement, for the shoulder slope, you take from that slant part of the shoulder, that's the slopey part of the shoulder, to the waist measurement. That's how the difference between the shoulder to the waist and the shoulder slope to the waist is your shoulder slope. Does that make sense? I don't know how to say. So now to the waist, you take the waist measurement to the floor length or the knee length, depending on the length of the ball dress or the dress you're making for the child. So you make sure that it's this waist, not the stomach area, except you're making a corset kind of style of dress. That's when you take from the stomach area, but take from the waist to wherever you want. So next is the side length measurement. It is important because most times the child won't allow you measure the round arm sky, then the arm sky measurement. Next is the tummy line to the hip line. Then you can take it to the floor or knee length depending on the length of the trouser you want to make for a child. Then next is the waist to the stomach line. So it is important you note this point because it's useful when it comes to making of jumpsuits. So next is the across front. I just like taking it because for certain fitting it comes in very handy. Then the shoulder length. You make sure that you get to shoulder bone if you're making a full sleeve, or you can take out of it if you're just making a sleeveless dress. So that's the shoulder length measurement. Next is the round neck measurement. This measurement comes in handy if you're making something with collar for a child or a turtleneck. Comes in handy. Then the bust apex width. So it comes in handy if you're making a princess starch dress. Now to the back measurements. I love taking this measurement both for the back and the front, as you've seen. So next is the shoulder. Make sure you locate the shoulder bone. Take the shoulder to shoulder measurement. And from that shoulder bone measurement, you take your sleeve length measurement. So whatever sleeve you decide, just take that sleeve length measurement. Then you take upper arm circumference. Those are the basic measurements you take for a child before the child becomes a lot cranky. In the next tutorial, I will be showing you how I develop a basic patterns for a child's dress using this measurements. So thank you for watching. If you're here for the first time, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.